Let us now answer the focus item. F of x is equal to 5x all over 2x minus 8. Graph the given rational function. First, get ready your Cartesian plane. Again, we already solved for the x and y intercept. And here, the x-intercept is 0 and 0. And also, for the y-intercept, we know that it is also 0 and 0. Plot it in our Cartesian plane. After that, let us now move on in illustrating the vertical and horizontal asymptote. For vertical asymptote, we know that x is equal to 4. Again, look for the x-axis and find the value of x that is equal to 4. After that, create a vertical line. And that would be our vertical asymptote. For the horizontal asymptote, we know that the value of that will be y, that is equal to 5 over 2, and in decimal, that would be 2.5. This time, we need to look for the y-axis and find the location of 2.5. After finding the location of 2.5, you're going to create a horizontal line. With that, that would be our horizontal asymptote. Since we already now have our x and y intercept, vertical and horizontal asymptote, we're going to look for the table of values. In this part, I use the values of x from 0 to 8. Since I want to identify the flow of the graph greater than 4 and less than 4 based on our vertical asymptote. Evaluate all those values of x from 0 up to 8 gives us the following. We know that if x is equal to 4, that would make it undefined. After plotting the points, what we're going to do is we're going to connect those points for us to create the graph. So this will be the graph of the function 5x all over 2x minus 8.